Shivaya, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to discuss the new chapter, conic sections. Conic sections. Conic sections. Okay. Conic sections. So let L be a consider a vertical line. So what is that? It is a vertical line. It is a vertical line. So consider a vertical line. So let L be a vertical line. So there is another straight line. There is another straight line which intersects at a particular point here. Intersects at a particular point here. It is a straight line. Okay. So this one is a vertical line and it is a straight line which intersects at a particular point. So here an angle is formed, right? An angle is formed. Let the angle be alpha. Let the angle be alpha. I am going to rotate this line, this straight line, in such a way that the angle remains constant. Okay. I am going to rotate the given straight line by remaining the angle constant. So it is a fixed line. So rotate this line in such a way that the angle remains constant. What is formed in the bottom? What is the shape in the bottom? What is the shape? What is the shape here? Yes, right, circle. So this is L and there is another line, that is M. So rotate this line with this angle be constant. Okay. So rotate this line. Then what is the shape formed at the bottom and the top? Yes, there is a circle formed. There is a circle formed. Okay, there is a circle formed. Shape is there is a circle. And what is the shape? Can you find any shape? Can you see any shape? Any shape you can detect? Any shape? Any shape you can detect? Yes, there is a cone formed. There is a cone. Cone is formed in this upper side and another cone is formed below this point. Okay, so there are two cones formed. 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 Okay. So this line rotates. Then what you get? So you get a double napped cone. You get a cone is in upper side and also a cone in lower side. They are called a double napped circular hollow cone. Okay, that cone is hollow. Here also it is hollow cone. So we get two cones which is separate at the point, this point. So this point is called vertex. This point is called vertex and the cones formed. There are two cones formed. Each is called naps. Each is called naps. So a cone is formed here and also a cone is formed here. So these are called naps. Nap. N-A-P-P-E. Naps. So two naps are formed. So look at this. So there are two cones. Okay. There are two cones. That is a double napped hollow right circular cone. That is hollow. So you can see a double napped. These two are called naps. Double napped hollow right circular cone we get. So the surface generated is double napped hollow right circular cone. The fixed point is called vertex. Fixed point is called vertex, and the fixed line, there is a vertical line that is fixed. That line is called axis. That line is called axis. And a straight line rotates about a fixed point. That rotating line is called generator. This is the rotating line. It is called generator. It is called generator. Okay. So it is the double napped right circular hollow cone. What is this? Yes, it is a carrot. What is the shape of the carrot? What is the shape of the carrot? It's a cone. Something. It's like a cone. Okay. Suppose it is a hollow cone. Suppose it is a hollow cone. So this carrot is a hollow cone. So this cone, it is carved outside. So this cone is, suppose it is a hollow cone. Then, what is this? Yes, paper. So it is a plane, right? It is a plane. So paper is a plane. Then, I am going to intersect the plane with the surface, that is the double napped cone. I am going to intersect the plane with the double napped cone. For that, I am taking this knife. So this knife, consider this as a plane. So consider this as a plane. So knife is a plane. I am going to intersect the double napped. So it is a double napped. There are two carrots. That means there are upper nap and lower nap is here. I am going to intersect this plane in different angles. I am going to intersect this plane in different angles of this double napped right circular hollow cone. So for that, I am going to cut. Cut means they intersect. I am going to intersect this in this angle. So we get different shapes. If we take the intersection portion, we get different shapes. So let us see. So first I am going to intersect this plane in this angle. Okay, in this angle. So can you see any shape? Can you see any shape is here? Suppose it is a hollow cone. Okay. So what is the shape here? You get a circle is here. You get a circle is here. Okay. So the shape is a circle. You get a circle is here. The figure so obtained is called what? What is the shape of the? Yes, intersected plane. So plane intersect here. Then what is the shape? Yes, it is a circle. Okay. So first shape is circle. 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 So the first shape we got is circle. Okay. Then again I am going to intersect this plane in this double napped hollow right circular cone in this angle. So just slight change. Not in this parallel. Not. So you have to change this. So you have to cut. Okay. Then what is the shape you get? What is the shape you get here? Is it a circle? What is the shape here? Is it a circle? No. Yes, it is an. What is the shape? Yes, it is an ellipse, oval like shape. Okay. So this is called an ellipse. It is called ellipse. So another shape we get, that is ellipse. Ellipse. Then again I am going to cut or intersect. Which intersects this in this way. I am going to intersect this. So which intersects in a nap. In only one nap I am going to intersect. Then what is the shape so obtained in that portion? Always. So this carrot is not hollow, but you have to think it is a hollow cone. So what is the shape you get? What is the shape you get? Yes. This shape is called parabola. This shape is called parabola. You get, so intersected portion, you get the shape. The figure is called parabola. So the figure is called parabola. Third is parabola. Again I am going to intersect this double napped cone which intersects in both naps. Which intersects in both naps. Which intersects in both naps. So I am very careful in cutting this. Okay. So we get two shapes. We get in the upper nap, there we get a parabola like parabola shape. So we get a shape. I am going to draw this one, and also here. Okay. So what is the shape we obtained here? So this is the hyperbola. See, we get, there are two shapes. So in two naps we get the shape. This is called disjoint them. These two shapes are disjoint. So this is called hyperbola. Okay. This is called hyperbola. Hyperbola. So these are the sections so formed by intersecting a plane and a double napped hollow right circular cone. So this section of a cone is called conic sections. These sections of a cone is called conic section. So there are four figures or four shapes we get if we intersect the cone, double napped cone and a plane. They are circle, ellipse, parabola and hyperbola. Do you understand? Do you got it? So there are four shapes. Okay. Thank you all. Namaskar.